Welcome back to another O2D unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Vintage Racing Club mix, or Hot Wheels Vintage Assortment, I think is the official, yep, Hot Wheels Vintage Assortment. This case comes over from Jcar Diecast. This is the J case. Thank you, Jcar, for sending this case over. We're going to open the J case. This is Mix 2 for 2026. Mix 1 was the Barn Finds, if you remember correctly. The Barn Finds was the, yes, yeah. So they didn't say Vintage Racing Club in particular. It was the, I guess it said Vintage, it said Racing Club or something like that. But it kind of more appropriately is titled Barn Finds, just because of the big barn on the card and the worn patterns on the cars. All right, so there are 5 cars in this mix, 10 cars total. It looks like we have 2 of each car in the case, but let's go through the case and see exactly what's inside. All right, first car out of the case we have, yes, it says Vintage Club. I know, I think the earlier thing said Vintage Grand Prix, right? And we'll see if the cars follow that pattern. But in terms of the, actually, I think the Barn Find said this too. I think they had the same logo, so it just said Vintage Club. So, all right, regardless of what the series is called, it is the Vintage Assortment. We have number 5 of 5 in the series. Number 1 out of the case here is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. So the Porsche 356 Outlaw is back, and it looks like, that looks like a metal base here. So it looks like this might be our metal base, quote unquote, chase. I use that term loosely, but very cool card art on this one. And you got the 356 deco on the sides, Castrol logo, metallic flake blue, a really nice metal flake blue on this with white racing stripes. And of course, with the Silver Series, you get the front and rear detail, Cast 5 wheels, Silver Series exclusives. Very nice start to this mix. I've been thinking about collecting this car, been wavering on it. It's one of my favorite Porsches, actually, outside of maybe a couple of the 911s. But car I might be collecting in the future. I think I've slowly accumulated most of them. We'll have to do maybe a collection update and see where we're at with those. All right, next car out of the case is number 3 of 5 in the mix. It is Alfa Romeo GTV6 3. I think it's supposed to be a 3.0. This card just says 30, so maybe that's a misprint. And the back says, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be 3.0. But regardless, the 30 is on the car as well. So you see the racing number on the sides there. It says 30. We get the build seat and the Momo on the bottom. Alfa Romeo. We get the Pirelli on the back. Metal flake, silver on this one. And again, the card art is top notch. Very cool, just motion oriented looking, like a card art that looks like it's moving. So very cool. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say about it. Just I'm really excited. This mix is just, these vintage mixes are just really cool. Some of my favorite Hot Wheels mixes today. I guess Premium, you kind of have car culture, which is obviously top notch. Boulevard is, you know, more of an assortment of cars. I really like the themes of these vintage club assortments. All right, next one we have the '65 Ford Galaxie. Is no stranger to vintage racing, right? It was in the original Vintage Racing series back in 2011. A couple of different licensed and unlicensed decos on that one. This one is, well, it definitely looks unlicensed. Outside of like the sponsor logos, I don't believe this is an actual like tribute livery or anything like that. But this car always manages to look great, pretty much however it comes. This is another one of those castings I just want to collect. Like, you know, it wouldn't be too hard to go back and collect. It's really, yeah, there's been some great versions of this one. And outside of like the vintage racing ones, I don't think any of them are really too pricey. So, very cool, like red with a metal flake gold stripe going down the middle. Copper-ish wheels, right? Cast 5 wheels on this one. You get 2 of those in this case. Obviously, very nice there. All right, So that is number 4 of 5. Number 2 of 5. Uh-oh, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. Everything's coming out crazy. All right, number 2 of 5 is the Custom 70 Honda N600. So a very small casting. Another one of those small Hondas. I always get this in the custom Honda Civic, right? Mixed up. Very close in silhouette. I don't know why. Maybe I haven't noticed it before, or maybe it's had dark windows. But that spin post is almost on the obnoxious side in there. Haven't noticed it before on this casting. But this casting, let's see, what do we have? Oh, those tiny wheels are cast 5. So I didn't know they made such a small cast 5 wheel. So maybe that's new. I thought they were definitely using the 4 spokes on this one. But those are the cast 5s. I got the Blink Roundel, Moto logo, black stripes on the top and on the sides and on the hood. And then this color is like I'm just gonna go orange here because it's almost a shade of yellow, between orange and yellow, kind of looks like a sunburst. But this is definitely more on the oranger side. Is there something on the license plate there? What does the license plate say? Oh, it just says Honda. Honda. And again, full detail front and back, which makes these Silver Series cars so cool. And like, unlike premium, you get these you get the tampoed graphics, which are very clean. They don't have like the pixelated kind of look, or where the resolution comes into play of those direct inkjet slides that a lot of premium cars use. So very cool. And then you still get pretty sure it's direct inkjet on the front and the back on top of that. So you kind of got the best of both worlds with Silver Series. All right, last one out of the case, number 1 of 5 in the series. It is the BMW 507. So with the classic BMW, get the Aero style wheels on this one. And I'm not sure if I think they're more or less supposed to be like, this kind of looks more like a hubcap kind of design on this. But the 507 is a really cool car, old school BMW. It's got number 56 on the sides. It's got that kind of like faux color leather interior on the inside, which goes really good with a black car. So, but that is the mix. You can get these on Jcar Diecast right now. It is the J case. You get 5 or 10 cars in the case. 1 of each, or 2 of each of the cars in this mix. So as I like to say, buy a set for yourself, buy a set for a collector buddy, and share the love. So as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you liking. Please take time to subscribe. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of this mix. Let me know if you bought a case on Jcar Diecast, and let us all know which one is your favorite in this mix.